I often get asked the question, how much energy do I need to run a center pivot system? The center pivot itself has very small motors with a very high reduction ratio on its gearboxes to give it enough torque to run. The real energy lies in the water. To move water takes a lot of energy. So how do you calculate this energy? It's easy. The total head of the pump multiplied by the flow of the pump divided by the efficiency of the pumping system is your exact number of kilowatt that you will draw from your switchgear. So what do we want to do? We want to minimize the amount of pressure that we need to pump from our water level up to our center pivot. How do we do this? Firstly, install the correct pipe sizes to ensure that we don't have unnecessary friction in our pipeline. Secondly, ensure that we use the correct sprinkler system with the lowest amount of pressure required, so that we can have a lower pressure requirement at the center of the center pivot. Further ways to reduce your energy cost of a center pivot system is by using Agrico's dynamic control. So how does the dynamic control system work? As your center pivot moves along the field, the last tower's elevation can vary. As this elevation varies, the pressure requirement of your center pivot also varies. When you have a VSD in your pump room connected to your motor, you can actually vary the pump's pressure by varying the speed of the motor to only deliver the exact amount of pressure that you need at your center pivot. Why do we do this? Well, when we think about the calculation again, pressure times flow divided by efficiency. If we reduce the pressure, we reduce the amount of energy required to pump the water. This saves you money. Less kilowatt drawn from your power utility or from your generator means less money in energy expenses. Thank you for watching this video. It's been great to have you. For the next video in this series, please click somewhere over here. And if you want to learn more about Agrico and what our great team does, subscribe to our channel.